MeghalayaPost.news.
Member ka Legislative Council ka Bihar MLC bat ubadeiru convener ka budget publicity campaign ka Northeast Devesh Kumar bakran bat kinong tho khobor ka jilla mantakas ngi lapan pa baladon kam ka jingkyshan ki trai jilla la neban kershan ya ka sarkar na ka bantaban poy ya ka surok rel shakilai tiligi jaka hapo ka thai Northeast ka bakan thobru ya ka jilla Meghalaya o menteri rang ba akari Narendra Modi kwa bakawai pagwai ka jilla hakari ka deban don ka surok rel bat don kampat ka jingkyshan jong ki trai jilla ong Kumar bat penpawru ya ka nuksa kum ka Mizoram lala banwanra dangshan ya kasuruk rel na kabentaban kentiu kayo kakon kipat ba ula ongru dan salai teli jelah Northeast kiba 4 poi kasuruk rel hakaba kasorkar kemi kala kloy banwanra ya kasuruk rel bat banpon urlong yakni don kam ka jingkyshan jong kitra jelah ke national spokesperson ka BJP ka Shazia Almi kala panpaw ya ka jingsong kya badang don ki jelah kiba 4 poi kasuruk rel berkadon pat ka jingkermen babaro ki jelah kamtam Northeast ban poino kasuruk rel leng ba ka jingkyshan kitra jelah susu kala ban kyaru bakathong kasorkar kemi banwara shibun ki kampan roy bat ki jingdon kam ki pajba hakilyang baro hakaba ka sarkar ka phai khmat kerpang ban penurlong kumbalabu thong na ka banta ki pajba bat kari.
Important that people of Meghalaya get something as basic as that, but I think the work has begun, and this is a very important integral part of the central government's vision and Prime Minister's vision, and I think the work has begun, so we will ensure that it's implemented, and we really hope that all the states are connected and also intrastate connectivity is there. So we are completely dedicated and committed to it. But I would
because the budget but now in Kasil.
No.
So I am from Mizoram. Mizoram has been connected by the rail link for the first time in independent India. You know the Sairang section to Bhairapi, which is on Assam-Mizoram border. It was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in September last year, and it has proved to be a boom. So Honorable Prime Minister wants each and every state to be connected by the rail network, but this has to be done with the help of the local population. So the moment we feel that the local population is up for it, you will get it. We are more than willing. There are just 3 states in the Northeast where there is no rail connectivity, but it has to be with the help of the common people, of the local people.
MeghalayaPost.news.